Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for showing me so much love on every video that I put up. This is today's look. It's a classic black smoky eyes. I hope you guys like it. If you're getting late, this is the look you can go for because classic smoky eye and nude lips, they go on with every outfit, western or Indian outfit. I hope you like my new background also. काफ़ी मेहनत करी है मैंने ये सब करने के लिए, इधर से उधर से सामान उठा उठा के घर में, but I think it looks good. And if you're new here, I'm Gunjan. I am a makeup artist and I also take bridal and engagement makeup booking. So if you want to get in touch for that, please leave down a comment or just get in touch on my social media. I have all the links in this description box below. So if you're interested in watching how I did my smoky eye makeup, please keep watching the video. I started off with my MAC concealer on my eyelids. I will be doing the eyes first today because the amount of fallout we get after doing a smoky eye is immense. जो कलर होता है, जो हमारा ऊपर हम कलर लगाएंगे, वो बहुत नीचे गिर जाता है while we do a smoky eye. तो इसीलिए हम पहले eyes करते हैं जब भी हम smoky eye करते हैं, and उसके बाद we do the whole face. I'll be taking a clean brush and I'll take some loose powder and just set my concealer. I'll be taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'll be taking the lightest shade, which is this shade right here, and place it in my crease line. Then I will go in and take the lightest pink shade also and mix it with the light brown shade that I've used. Just be very sure and very careful with blending your transition shade, क्योंकि अगर आपका transition shade बहुत अच्छे से blend हुआ है तो आपका eye makeup बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. I'll quickly proceed on to the shade that is darker than that brown. Place it slightly below the crease line. एक क्लीन ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लो और इसको सबको साथ में ब्लेंड कर दो और ये बहुत सॉफ्ट लगना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट आई बी मूविंग ऑन टू Maybelline जेल लाइनर. I'll take it on my Real Techniques detailer brush. I would suggest you to put some product on the back of your hand because product थोड़ा warm हो जाता है आपके body temperature से, so it just glides on pretty well. और इसको कभी भी ऐसे खुला मत छोड़ना. If you're doing one eye, just don't leave it like that. Either cover it up or just put it upside down. I will take it very close to my lash line. इसको हम धीरे धीरे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, हम इसको एकदम से पूरा ऊपर ऐसे राउंड नहीं बनाएंगे. और जब आपको लगे कि आपकी आईलिड के बीच में हम पहुंच गए हैं, then just take a brush like this, blend the edges of the gel liner that you've put very softly. तो हम जेल लाइनर क्यों लगाते हैं? हम सिर्फ सीधी ब्लैक आई शैडो भी लगा सकते थे. हम जेल लाइनर इसीलिए लगाते हैं बिकॉज ब्लैकेस्ट ब्लैक होता है एंड हमारी आईज पर मोस्टली ब्लैक कलर ग्रेश लगता है. तो उस चीज़ को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए वी गो इन विद द जेल लाइनर फर्स्ट एंड देन वी गो इन विद द ब्लैक आई शैडो. अगर नीचे थोड़ा बहुत फॉल आउट होता है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट बिकॉज उसको हम क्लीन करेंगे बाद में. नाउ टेकिंग द सेम brown and light pink color and going in again, mixing it with the black. I will be taking a black eye shadow on a flat brush, dust it off और उसको मैं सिर्फ पैक करूँगी. मैं वापस से अपना ट्रांजिशन कलर लूँगी और जो मैंने अपना आई शैडो भी लगाई है उसको ब्लेंड करूँगी. You should not be able to see any harsh lines. The key to achieve the best smoky eye is to blend your eyes nicely and give it a nice gradation effect. Voila! After we are done with both the eyes, take a wet wipe or a makeup remover and clean the edges. And if you've messed it up anywhere near the inner corner, I'm going to sharpen this up. After this I'll put on my lashes. My lashes are messed up My eyelashes are from CS Essentials. After you are done putting your lashes and curling them and finally putting on mascara, you can go in with the same gel liner. Take it on an angular brush, or you can also take it on a liner brush which looks something like this. Take the littlest amount and just go in and tight line your upper waterline, because it is all black, it is a dark color. We don't want any skin peeping out. If your eyes are watery, you can also use an eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow. You can always go in and just touch up near the lash line. I've already prepped my skin with a moisturizer. I've also applied some bio oil today. Just 2 drops of bio oils to just moisturize a bit on my face. Now that it is all absorbed, I'll be going in with my primerizer from Smashbox Cosmetics, and this is very hydrating. I will be going in with the Milagro Beauty Essential Under Eye Oil because my under eye is a tad bit dry today. Take your ring finger and just very lightly massage it on. Now that the skin is all prepped, I'll just give it 1 minute to just settle in with the products that we've layered up. By that time, I'll be taking a highlighting shade, something of this sort, on my small shader brush. I'll go in with the brow bone highlight. And till the time that settles down, I will go in with my gel liner again and just fill in my lower waterline. So this will just help the lower part to connect with the upper part. And for the people जिनकी eyes थोड़ी छोटी हैं, उनको लगता है कि उनकी eyes छोटी हैं, they can also go on with putting a white pencil in the waterline, in the lower waterline. उससे आपकी eyes थोड़ी सी बड़ी लगेंगी because it just opens up a little rather than dark color से थोड़ा और अंदर चला जाएगा तो वो और छोटी लगेगी. I'll again be going with my MAC eye palette. I'm taking a peach shade from the same palette and just correcting my under eye, which has a bit of pigmentation. This is, I don't know why this looks white on camera, but this is peach. Today I'm using a new blender. This is from the drugstore company. I was very excited to use this. So yeah, I'll go in with my concealer now. जब भी आप स्मोकी आई कर रहे हो, make sure your eyes are properly concealed. Going in with my foundation, I'll just take 1 drop of hot honey from Nykaa Anti-Pollution and 1 drop of golden hour. I'll mix it with my fingers and dot it. I think I like this blender. It's good. When it came, I did not really like it because I thought it is comparatively a little hard from the blenders that I already have. But while using it, I like it. खुद आपको बहुत evenly distribute करता है. Blend भी बहुत अच्छे से कर रहा है. तो if you guys are looking for a blender, try drugstore company. I got it from Amazon. थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करने का मेरा मन है आज फेस को, सो बिकॉज अगर आप स्मोकी आई कर रहे हो, यू शुड ट्राई एंड हाईलाइट योर अंडर आई, एंड इफ वी आर जस्ट गोइंग इन विद द हाईलाइट, व्हाई नॉट डू इट इन द नोज एज वेल. बहुत ही लाइट. आई वेंट इन विद द टार्ट शेप टेप in the shade light medium sand. And after that I will just take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and quickly just touch up my brows. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी ब्राउज थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो गई हैं, जो कंसीलर ब्रश आपने यूज़ किया था, you can use that again. Now I'll just take some powder, loose powder, and pack it right under my eyes. I'm not powdering my complete face. मैंने जितना भी पाउडर लिया था I just took it mainly on the under eyes and on my smile lines. बाकी I'm just moving the brush all over my face so that वो थोड़ा जितना भी कुछ एरिया अगर ऑयली रह जाता है, like my T-zone gets oily after some time, तो उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए. अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट बी पाउडरिंग माई कंप्लीट फेस बिकॉज आई एम अ ड्राई स्किन. I am moving on to blush now. I wouldn't prefer very bright blush with such eyes. तो मैं बस बहुत लाइट और बहुत subtle blush रखूँगी. I'm using Makeup Revolution's blush palette. I'll link it down below. और अपने ब्लश को भी बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड किया करो. इसे थप्पड़ मारने वाला ब्लश नहीं चाहिए. Like we want a proper blended blush. Highlight. I'm using Nykaa Glow Getter and I'll be using this shade. I'll be taking in the same highlighter for the eyes with a small shader brush and I will only highlight the inner corner of my eye because मेरी भी आंखें छोटी हैं यार. इसके बाद I will be taking my Sleek Cosmetics bronzer. On my nose I will just be placing the color. I will not blend it right away. For the nose I'll take a small blending brush and blend it this way. वो ब्रश बहुत बड़ा है तो it could just get the color all over the nose. इसीलिए हमने सिर्फ कलर प्लेस करके उससे ब्लेंड नहीं किया है. अगर आपकी डबल चिन है तो just take some bronzer on the brush and go right under here and blend it. उसको ऐसे मत छोड़ना वरना कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा ये करने का. And blend it. कभी भी अगर आप स्मोकी आई कर रहे हो प्लीज़ डोंट डू योर फेस फर्स्ट एंड देन द आईज बिकॉज you will mess up everything. I can guarantee you will mess up everything. Now I'll just take the black eyeshadow and smoke it out. सिर्फ बाहर वाले एरिया पे. I'll just go halfway through. सिर्फ इतना आना है आपने यहाँ पे. एंड जॉइन इट. अगर आप इनर कॉर्नर में लेके भी जा रहे हो थोड़ा सा तो जस्ट कीप इट वेरी क्लोज टू योर लैश लाइन. वी डोंट वांट इट एनीवेयर डाउन बिलो द लैश लाइन. नाउ आई टेक दिस ब्रश एंड गो इन विद द brown color that I've used in the crease line and blend my black color with it. Final part ladies, I will be going in with my NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. I cannot stop looking at myself. Anyways, you might have noticed how easy it is to do, but it is quite intimidating. That is why not much people do it. But now with some practice and techniques, आप भी ये लोग कर सकते हो. So guys, this was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked it, please show some love in the comments down below. मैं भूल गई फिर से, मैं ये कैसे भूल सकती हूँ. Don't forget to subscribe. लोग सब्सक्राइब करना भूल जाते हैं. वीडियो के साइड में नीचे मेरे नाम के साथ में एक बटन होगा सब्सक्राइब का, रेड कलर का. प्रेस दैट, उसमें आएगा सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा हुआ. That is when you've subscribed to the channel. Like करो वीडियो अगर आपको सच्ची में ही अच्छी लगी and share it with your friends who love makeup. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.